This project was all about turning this dated and worn corner cabinet into an updated statement piece. First things first, we removed the hardware from all 4 doors. Then we took off the glass and the metal decorative trim from each glass panel. It was a breeze to remove the rubber gasket that sat around the glass from inside the hutch. It just took a quick pull and it was off. After that, we carefully and gently put aside the glass and threw away the not so pretty metal trim that just sat in the opening. After that, we cleaned the entire cabinet with crud cutter and a damp rag and then let it dry. With any old piece of furniture, you're bound to find some nicks, holes, and dings. No worries though, you just have to fill them in. So what we did was use plastic wood filler to fill in these imperfections. And for those drawer pull holes, we filled them with quick wood since they're bigger and deeper and need to be more durable. After the wood fillers were dry, we sanded them down with 150 grit sandpaper. We also gave the rest of the cabinet a light sanding with medium foam pad to lightly scuff the surface and make it easier for the paint to stick. And then we cleaned off the dust. We chose to use Heirloom Traditions paint in the color Mediterranean for this corner cabinet because it's so easy to use and this color is stunning. To help the paint spray on smoothly and evenly, we thinned it out with 20% water. We sprayed 2 coats of blue paint inside and outside of the cabinet, and those 2 coats were enough to get full coverage and a smooth finish. Tell me, what do you think of this color? Since Heirloom Traditions paint is an all-in-one paint, it already has a built-in top coat, so we went ahead and added new hardware to give the cabinet a more modern look that also complements its blue color. The new knobs were an instant upgrade from the old ones, and they really make a difference in the overall appearance of this piece. I also thought about adding wallpaper to the cabinet, but in the end, I think it looks great as is. And with that, here's what it looked like before, and here's what it looks like now. With just a few simple steps, we were able to completely transform this outdated corner cabinet into a stylish and functional piece of furniture. And don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons if you liked this video. It helps push our videos out to more people who might enjoy it as well, so thank you so much. Are you confused and not sure where to start with your furniture makeover? Don't worry, I got your back. Click the link in my comment to download our free painting checklist so you can paint your furniture as if you hired a professional to do it.